Welcome back to this course. So I hope you have already started creating your presentations for your learning modules. So it's very crucial if you want to record videos or do screen recording videos for academic purposes that you have your presentation slides. So now you might be wondering, how do you record yourself talking as well as your screen while broadcasting your or showing your presentation slides? And these are the tools that we use for that. We call them screen recording software. So you have Nimbus and Active Presenter. These are the same tools that we are using in the company at IOL. And these are also the tools that I discussed in the previous online teaching course. So now let me talk about Nimbus. So Nimbus is a browser-based screen recording software. So it's based on Google Chrome. So how do you install that one? So this is free, totally free. Just simply go to settings. And so if you already have your Chrome, most probably you already have downloaded Google Chrome. It's the most famous browser out there. And you go to extensions under advanced settings. And here on the burger or sandwich menu, you click on Open Chrome Web Store. Or you could simply search Google for the Chrome Web Store. And you look for Nimbus. So Nimbus, this one. So Nimbus Screenshot and Screen Video Recorder. So you will notice that it's highly rated with more than 12,000 high rating. So average rating of 4.6 out of 5. So it's already added. So if you haven't added it, so you could just simply click on and add to Chrome. So once you're done, this button here, this letter N, hand-drawn N, will appear on the top portion of your address bar. So this is the address bar, and this is your the Nimbus button. So if you'll be recording a video, for example, your presentation, you just simply go to so you just simply click on the N button. So you go to any website first. So you go to any website. So here I have here lms.iol.ph, and click on the N button and go to record video, because if you try to click on the button without anything on the any page yet, loaded page on your browser, it will appear as not usable. But once you've opened a page, you're on a page, you could already start recording a video. So you simply go to record video, click on that button, and click on start record. So you have here some settings. So you have video settings. So I just place it as auto setting, and you could click on the start recording button. And if you will be recording, say, your presentation, in my case, I will be recording the income tax presentation, I'll click on that window. So application window, income tax, and start sharing. And once I go to that video, that application, the PowerPoint slide, it's already there's a notification below that the software Nimbus is already sharing or recording the video. So you could start talking about your slides or your presentation, and once you're done, you just click on start video. That app. So you heard me, you heard my discussions. So there you go. So this would appear on your browser. Again, the disadvantage of Nimbus is that it's web-based, browser-based, and that you need to be connected to the internet so that you'll be able to use the software, the Nimbus software. So once you're done, so this is the recording that we did a while ago. So if I application, the PowerPoint slide, okay, so those are the things that I was discussing a while back. So you could just simply click on save screenshot and you will be able to video that application, the PowerPoint. So it automatically plays the video when you save the screenshot. So once you save it, it will be saved on your drive and you could start editing the video. So alright, so that's how you make use of Nimbus. In the next video, I'll talk about how to make use of Active Presenter. So if you don't want to make use of a browser-based software, then you might want to make use of a full desktop software. Alright then, see you in the next video.